It's Saturday, August 23rd. Weather has changed. We're definitely into fall. Summer is over. It's cold. The sun is rare. It's windy. It's kind of a bummer. Rapidly marching toward back into winter, but we still have time to work, and we're trying to. This weekend we're going to get this this floor finished. That's the goal. I had thought I was going to finish it all, and maybe could have last weekend, but as you know, the thing that kills me so often is that I think I have enough backup plans for the inevitable problems, and I never do. So I ran out of grinding discs. I had a backup grinding disc, but I did not spend enough money on it, and it was garbage. So it was damaging the floor as I grinded, so I had to stop. So I had to go and spend the real money on a real one. We'll see. I haven't tested it. It better work. And if it does, I will finish the other side. Let me walk over there. It's just help. I'm really dreading the dust again. This shouldn't take that long. It took forever to retape all of this, which is just such a pain. And I'm not doing it very nicely, but I don't think you can see there was some gouging starting on this. Anyway, okay, so I have to do this portion of the hearth with the new grinding wheels, and then polish it. And that's going to happen today, or bust. I just wanted to get a shot of this this tent city that we've got going here, which it actually worked last time. It kept the dust out of the upstairs and the other side of this, the living room, which has couches and a television in it. Somehow it got through here to the kitchen, so the kitchen was real dusty. I worked a little extra hard on taping and plugging the gaps this time, and we'll see. Hopefully it's better. All right.